Alright, here's my ride. I'm gonna drive the backhoe. This backhoe got rolled over on the side of the road or whatever. And it's going to auction. Climbing in here, close the door. Doo-doo-doo. Here's my controls. Press the button. Gonna wait for this light here to turn off. There we go. I've never actually driven one of these. How hard can it be? Pick up the bucket. There we go. Find my gear shift. Oh, look, here we are. Reverse. It's your basic premise. Here we go, we're backing up. Got our backhoe back here. And we'll go forward. There should be a windshield blocking that windshield wiper from me and all the snow and the cold. Here we are. Set our parking brake. There we are.